So this is a quick tutorial for this pen spinning move I learned. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but it's pretty easy to learn and pretty fun to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to pinch the pen between your ring and your middle finger like this, kind of about 2/3 the way up. And then you're going to rest the other end on this fleshy part of your hand in between your thumb and your index finger like this. So then what you're going to do is you're going to do this kind of flicking motion out like so, using your ring and middle finger. So it's going to look like this. Once you flick it out, then you're going to rotate it back while tucking your index finger underneath to grab it and transfer it over, and then spin it all the way back, and then rest it once again in this part of your hand. So slowly, all together, pinch it between your ring and middle finger, flick it out, tuck your index finger, rotate it over, let go, rotate it over again, and that's it. So slowly it doesn't look too good, but once you start to speed it up, it looks a lot cooler. It's more fun to do. So just work on it slowly at first, getting the motion down, and then slowly speed it up.
All right, hopefully you found this video helpful. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.